You just walked by a toy, you scanned it, and the ROI is absolutely amazing. But guess what? You're gated. How do you get ungated? And secondly, how do you find a distributor or a wholesaler that is going to comply with the invoice standards that Amazon needs to ungate you? Come on, let's go. I'm about to show you. Alright guys, before we get started, there is a few things that I want to cover, 5 things in specific, and these go for invoices in general and Amazon accepting the invoice that you give them to actually be ungated in said toy category. This goes for invoices on any categories, but we're talking about toys exclusively here, so let's go ahead and jump in. Number 1, invoices must be dated within the last 180 days. Or showing item delivery or purchase within the last 180 days. So your item purchase from the distributor or wholesaler or manufacturer must be recent within 5 months. So number 2, invoices must have your name or business name on them. So Amazon has to see that the name or business name that is on your Amazon account is also matching the name and or business name that is on the invoice that you receive. Number 3, invoices must have contact information for your business, example given, physical address, phone number, email, or website. Invoices must have the names of the products you purchased, so it cannot say product lot X times 4 or product B quantity 100. It has to actually say so for instance, if you were buying a Lego lot in hopes to get ungated in the Lego brand, which this supplier that I'm going to show you does have Lego. Actually, both of the suppliers that I'm going to show you have Lego, but the invoice must actually say, example, Lego Star Wars Fleet Commander. So it has to actually say what the product is. In order for the invoice to actually be counted. Number 5, invoices must have document issuer's name, physical address, or phone number, and that is going to be a document issuer. That is going to be the person and or company you're getting the invoice from. So that is all they're saying. Invoices must have the name of the person and or company you're purchasing them from on the document. So those are the 5 things that cover all invoices in order to get ungated. And let's go ahead and take a look a little bit further now. Okay, so if you are a member on our Facebook group, then you know that I've been talking about this distributor for a few days now. I don't want to give out any unverified information. I wanted to make sure that 1, this distributor was legitimate, and 2, it was a distributor that you could get invoices from. And I'm going to put a picture right here on the screen for you guys real quick, and it is because they offer the bulk wholesale. So you can buy bulk wholesale from this distributor, and its name is Entertainment Earth, as you probably just saw on the picture there. So entertainmentearth.com is the distributor, and in a second here I'm going to scroll through and show you all what products they do actually, or what brands rather. I think we're going to scroll through their top 100, and again, that's just their top 100. They have a lot of brands that you guys are more than welcome to spend all your night like I did, countless hours going through all the brands. But anyways, I got this verified. I was in a live chat to shout out the one, the only Reezy Resells last night, and he verified this as a solid distributor. So you weren't there, you're here. Here's this golden nugget for you guys. The link is below. entertainmentearth.com. They're an amazing distributor. They're amazing because they offer a lot of products. They have a huge following. They have people like Reezy promoting them. They're a wonderful distributor. The other one that I have linked down below for you guys is I don't know if I'm saying this right, to be honest. Someone correct me in the comments below, but Shepper or Sheffer. Their link is also below for you guys. Now these are 2 distributors that you can get a custom invoice request for, and that is like the rules we just went over, how they have certain stipulations that the invoice requires and it has to have. So these are companies that will do that for you, and they do have the name brands like Star Wars, Lego, Hasbro, Fisher-Price, so on and so forth. But I'm just really glad to get this knowledge out to you guys. And once you have your invoice and you are ready to upload it to Amazon, what you're going to do is you are going to find an item in that category, of course, probably one that you just ordered from the distributor themselves, and you're going to go ahead and first get a picture of your invoice. Second, you're going to go to the request approval link, and you're going to choose that you yourself are a reseller distributor. Once you do that, you will put in the rest of the required information and then click submit at the below portion of the screen there, the bottom portion of the screen, and then it will ask you to upload a picture of your invoice, and it may ask for 1, 2, or 3 invoices depending on what you're trying to get ungated in. And once you do that, you are good to go. It will go to Amazon, they'll review it. It can take about 48 hours, up to a week, I believe they said. I did a little digging through the forums on that, but I definitely want to do some more. Just wanted to get this out to you. If you found this useful, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up for the knowledge drops, and have a great day. Get some good picking in, guys. Take it easy.